Now I'm just going to demonstrate how to make a very small dough, the minimum for the Titan Tilt 5. And the minimum is the bare minimum to mix. It's not ideal because the machine is built to make bigger doughs. So when making a really small dough, you might need to help it a little bit, but the result will still be good. But it's always recommended that you have at least 1 kilo flour. But now I'm going to do the minimum: 500 grams of flour, 3 grams of yeast, 6 grams of salt, 300 milliliter of ice cold water, so that's 60% hydration. And remember, a spiral mixer makes a lot of heat when it's mixing, so always use ice cold water. And never put the salt in the beginning. The salt you put after the dough is good incorporated, like after 4 minutes maybe on low speed. First, then you add the salt. So then we start with running on the machine, releasing the stop button, putting in the flour, the yeast, and then we close the head. And for small doughs under 1.5 kilo flour, then we add the hydration gradually. If you're making a big dough, nearly up to the maximum capacity, then you have to start with a minimum of 50% hydration from the beginning. But for small doughs, up to at least 1.5 kilo, you add it gradually. But now we just start on speed number 4. And the water in slowly. And we keep about 1/4 of the water. And now we are just mixing for 3-4 minutes just to see everything is getting good incorporated. Now we have been mixing for about 3.5 minutes, and we're going to stop it and raise the head, because when making so small doughs, you see that sometimes it's stuck a little bit on the sides. So use a spatula just to get it loose from the sides. Sometimes it also gets a little bit on the hook and the middle bar. But now we are ready to add the salt. And since this is a very simple, quick pizza dough, I add about 3 spoons of oil. Then we close the head, close the safety, and we start it on speed 6. And we put it on 6 minutes. And you see the time is starting counting down. And now we add the last quarter of water we have left, slowly. And for small doughs, just make sure you add it so most of the water comes on the sides of the bowl. When we are mixing, I just do a noise test. This was on speed 6. Now it's speed 1. a lot of the sound that you get is now from the dough when it's hitting the walls. As you can see now we have mixed for 4 minutes after we added the salt. So totally 7 minutes. And you see that it's building pretty good. And we are soon going to get the pumpkin. And we see that the temperature is rising, but still a bit low. We can increase the speed, since this is such a small dough. We go to speed 8, just to get it to build temperature a little bit quicker. Now we have mixed for 6 minutes after we added the salt, and we can see that we now have a temperature of 21.6 degrees. We are going to get it up to 24 degrees. And you see it's starting to form. And now we start it again. Speed 8. We do 5 minutes more. And we will see the pumpkin shaping. Of course, with so small dough, the pumpkin will not be so nice as a bigger dough. But it will be good mixed. Now we have mixed for additional 3 minutes. And we see the temperature is already at 24.6 degrees. And the pumpkin is shaping nicely. So this dough is finished. And we loosen the bowl. And you see the dough is very easy to get out of the bowl.
This texture is really nice.
You have nearly no residue left. So this was a very small dough, 500 grams of just normal flour. Smooth and nice. I'll put it for fermenting